ya kana bishomero Eriyo Senior Secondary School bagatandika hakeshari banyuma y'abagenzi babo babiri ukubonerezebwa bebembezi bishomereri banyuma yo kubakwata bari mu bikorwa byo mbonano mu ishomero ndiyo rumwe banyuma yakeshari ngaka kutandika bebembezi bishomereri bakaterera polisi simu yashyire aha mwanyogu ikagezaho kwemerezo bweshari ngobu abana bakarema nabanyuma bakagemeserezwa kutera Masasi mu mwanya icyareteyirwe umwe aha mwana wishomereri yaterwa isasi uteriho nondijo uwishomereri ya Hillside Academy rukushanga umugombora yitojo mu district niyemwe ukuterwa amasasi
muri batire kora babato munakeji umunyugunyu akakwata karabo umugongo kashobora erinde karaba umukuju naryo kashobora kashanga bamutera amasasi abiri
kurigirira mugamzi wa polisi umucyange cya Rwizi Superintendent of Police Samson Kasasra yahamya ko polisi yashyira hamwe nyogungu kandi n'abana babiri baterwa amasasi umari mu irwaro umuruntunga mu kando ndijo ari mu irwaro rukuru Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital.
During the process of carrying the strike, because the students were rowdy and were damaging property of the school, police tried to engage them, but because they were rowdy, in the process of trying to disperse them, bullets were discharged. And as I was telling you, unfortunately, these stray bullets injured two students. One of Agatairwe Secondary School and another student who was on leave from school in the neighborhood from Hillside Secondary School was also injured by stray bullets. So as of now, inquiries have been opened into the matter on the actions taken by police. As of now, police has been able to apprehend 8 students who are identified as the ringleaders and are in police detention as investigations into the matter go on.
Umushachi wetu yagambaho na Bobani Asimwe umahabana baterwa amasasi kandi bwahati uri ahirware Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital uguyashobora kunyine nkuru yagerezeho kushobora umupolisi wo mukazi wabera murekere mu mbundu ari kumushobora ngo mwanogu akata ari kushomera hishomere ryabirendiye sharinga icyo umupolisi atarahurire akamutera amasasi abiri irimo mu ibondo kandi rindi umukuguru.
The policewoman had to coach the gun. Having seen that he's coaching the gun, I tried to run away to go back into our room. Then had to shoot me the bullet. One bullet here. I didn't fall. Then had to shoot me another bullet in the leg. That's why I had to fall down. And then my grandmom had to come off the house saying that, oh, they have killed my son. Then the policeman had said that, do you know, we have shot a young person. It seems this boy is not part of the school. After saying that, they had to move away first.
Harrison Kagure uri mugambizi mukuru w'irware Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital yashobora kwasimwe yashemeze ibingu kandi ari naterera.
By the time he was brought in, he presented like someone who had bled a lot. So our multidisciplinary team of professionals embarked on him. Then they attended to him, giving him the necessary support. Then afterwards, he was taken to the theater where they operated on him. And as we talk now, the patient was transferred to the surgical ward of the hospital. The current state, he is generally improving, and we hope for the best.
Ondijo mwana waterwa amasasi nishanita bamutegeine kandi bwahatogu na wari natungo bujanjabi ahirware ya Family Doctors Clinic municipality ya Ntungamo.